Tired of continuously maintaining permanent steel sheet piles, especially in salty water or aggressive soils? Install vinyl sheet piles instead. They don't rust, they don't corrode, and they require zero maintenance once they're in the ground. Vinyl sheet piles offer significant advantages: 50 years warranty, low interlock permeability, certified according to DIN, bearing the TUV octagonal mark. Available in 5 colors. Main applications are shoreline protection, river channels, flood protection, retaining walls, cutoff walls, wave protection, polluted areas, anti-erosion. Vinyl sheet piles are installed with standard vibratory hammers and available in U and Z sections with a maximum section modulus of 1,867 cubic centimeters. Depending on soil condition, we recommend special vibrator clamps and driving mandrels. Send us your requirements or project details, and we will offer you the most suitable vinyl sheet piles for your job.